This is the video presentation of Dillon Markell's, Tommy Fitzpatrick's, and Mitch Gillin's slime mold project. For this project, we were given instructions on how to grow a slime mold. First, we constructed a maze out of Legos, disinfected it, and added it to our petri dish. Then we added molten agar and let it solidify. After it had solidified, we added our slime molds and 2 oats into our maze. We then sealed the lid on the petri dish and photographed what happened for the next couple weeks. For the first trial of our experiment, we ended up having no growth inside our petri dish after about 2 weeks, most likely due to an error in the setup of our experiment. We believe that one possible error we made was that we did not have enough agar in the petri dish, which prevented the slime mold from growing. Due to the fact that our first trial did not have any growth, we started over with our second trial. For the second trial, we followed the exact same procedure as we did in the first trial, but we made sure to add plenty of agar this time around. We also added a small amount of glucose to the slime mold, closest to the purple Lego in our maze, to test how glucose would affect the growth of the slime mold. At first, the growth was slow, and it seemed like almost nothing was growing. But over time, the growth slowly started to increase, and almost overnight, it went from little growth to lots of growth. It had even started to grow outside of our maze. It continued to grow over the next couple days. As you can see in our second trial, it was a success. Both of the slime molds are growing. Also, as you can see, the slime mold that we added glucose to, the one next to the purple Lego, is growing more than the slime mold that we did not add glucose to. Over the next couple of days, the slime mold continued to grow and slowly started to grow outside of our maze. You can also see here that the growth almost seems to connect together in the middle of our maze. The growth has now started to slow down, and there is not much of a difference between the pictures. However, in this next picture coming up is a good example of how much our growth grew outside of the maze. In the end, the experiment proved that our hypothesis, glucose would increase the growth of the slime mold, was correct.